So, welcome friends in today's session of FI BCom semester 2. We are going to discuss today the syllabus of financial accounting subject paper 2. Paper 1 is what we have studied in semester 1 related with the special branch of accounting called financial accounting. Today we are going to have an overview about the syllabus of financial accounting paper 2. So let us see what exactly is the syllabus uh, included for FI BCom students. Chapter 1 is based on consignment accounts, which will be having practical sums plus theory. What exactly we are going to learn in this particular chapter is what exactly is the term consignment is, what is the difference between sale and consignment, what are the terms, special terms used in consignment like pro forma invoice, normal loss, abnormal loss. How closing stock is valued is very important. How the valuation of closing stock is done, that is a very crucial point in this chapter. Then there are special commissions also. That concept is also very important. General commission and del creditor commission. Based on that, valuation is done. Accounting treatment is done in case of consignment accounts. Procedure for consignment transactions. Accounting treatment, that is what are the journal entries as well as what are the ledger accounts required to be framed in the books of consignor and consignee. So basically what we are going to frame in this particular chapter are consignor account, consignee account and the goods sent on consignment. जब आप ये चैप्टर हम जब ये चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे थोड़ी बहुत आपको ब्रांच अकाउंट वाली फीलिंग आएगी, तो यूं समझ लीजिए ब्रांच अकाउंट का ही एक स्वरूप है कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट, उसी पैटर्न का है, थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलरिटी है, ऐसा कह सकते हैं। इसका वेटेज 30% है। ये आपका पहला चैप्टर है जिसमें सम्स प्लस थियरी दोनों कवर होता है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो चैप्टर है आपका वो है जॉइंट वेंचर। जॉइंट वेंचर, पहले तो ये टर्म समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज जॉइंट वेंचर. We will have its introduction. We will try to understand the concept of joint venture. What are the features? What are the objectives? What is the purpose of joint venture? We will also try to cover what is the difference between partnership and joint venture. Including, we will also try to cover what is the difference between joint venture and consignment. Methods of keeping accounts when a separate set of books is kept for a joint venture and when no separate sets of books is kept for the joint venture. So there are two ways of bookkeeping in case of joint venture. When the partners, means the co-ventures, are going to keep the separate books, or so that is what we are going to discuss in joint venture. Depending on that, various accounts are supposed to be prepared. Weightage is 25%. Then there is a next chapter, hire purchase system. This is the third practical chapter of yours. We are going to understand this chapter also. We will have its introduction, understanding of the concept, nature of hire purchase agreement, what are the special features of hire purchase agreement, terms used in hire purchase agreement. Normally what are the terms are used in hire purchase agreement? They are hire vendor, that is the seller, hire purchaser, cash price, down payment, hire purchase installments, hire purchase price, etc. terms are very crucial for calculating sum, for understanding the overall concept. And we will have its accounting treatment like the journal entries and the various ledger accounts in the books of seller and the purchaser, or we can say buyer, that is hire vendor and hire purchaser. Weightage, once again the weightage is 25%. So 30 plus 25 plus 25, 80% is what is the three chapters are covering, which will have practical sums plus theory. And there is a small chapter of theory based on accounting standard, overall theory, chapter, it is purely theory chapter, weightage is 20%. We are going to understand in this particular, we will try to have the concept understanding of accounting standard. What are accounting standards? What are its what is its meaning? What is the need of such accounting standard? And which board is there who is handling the accounting standard? That is, accounting standard board is there. What are its functions? Procedure for the issue of accounting standards, how these accounting standards are framed, what exactly its process, how it is issued, how it is implemented, importance of accounting standards, list of accounting standards, how many accounting standards are there, that is also there. Basically, you are going to focus on the following accounting standards, four accounting standards in detail. Discussion of accounting standard 1, which includes what? The point of disclosure of accounting policies. Accounting standard 2, which is based on valuation of inventories, stock. Accounting standard 9, which is based on revenue recognition, whether the revenue is recurring or non-recurring nature. Accounting standard 10, that is based on fixed assets. So that is what is all about the syllabus discussion. There are overall 4 units of your syllabus discussion.